Mini presentation explaining one type of grammar.
So good morning class. So today we are going to talk about a very important concept about teaching grammar. So when learning grammar, there are two types of approaches when learning grammar. There is prescriptive grammar and descriptive grammar. But our main focus for today is prescriptive grammar. So when we say prescriptive grammar, this is like a set of instructions when learning grammar. So in here, the main focus of prescriptive grammar is to focus on the rules. Rules in speaking, rules in writing of the language. So in here, prescriptive grammar is like a traditional way of learning grammar. So you have to focus on what is the standard or the proper way of learning grammar. Think of it like a recipe book. So when we follow the recipes, we come up with a perfect menu or a perfect basta ganun. That is the purpose of prescriptive grammar. So for example, let's look at the sentence. In prescriptive grammar, when you as a teaching is using this uh, type of grammar in teaching, you have to correct the error or the mistake of your student. So that because that is the main goal of prescriptive grammar. So for example, let's take a look at this sentence. Can you read the sentence? I ain't going to the store. So, I ain't going to the store. So, what what do you notice about this sentence? Do you notice anything? As I've mentioned, prescriptive grammar is about using the standard or the proper grammar. So, what do you observe about this sentence? It's the word ain't. Yes, the word ain't. So this ain't is an example of this ain't is an example of a contraction. So when we say contraction, it is not valid to use when teaching prescriptive grammar or using prescriptive grammar because ain't is too informal. So instead of ain't, what must we change? And what word will we replace for this word ain't?
Mom, it's either I am not going to the store or I'm. The I'm word is the shortcut of the I am not.
Yes, correct. Ain't will be replaced with I am not to make it formal. So when using prescriptive grammar, we need to use the more formal words like I am not uh, because as I've said, we are following the rules. Unlike descriptive grammar that you can use ain't or the contractions in constructing your sentence. So another example. Let's look at this uh, example. So in this second sentence, please read the second sentence.
When to
went to the store. So what do you observe about this sentence? Went to the store. Went is an example of verb, right? So went is in the very first sentence. So what do you observe about this sentence?
I think the sentence is incomplete.
Yes, very good. The sentence is incomplete because there is no subject. So when constructing a sentence, it must not be incomplete or it does not show sentence fragments. So we must add a subject like I or we, like that. So this is an example of a sentence fragment, is a sentence error. Another, let's take a look at this sentence. Please read the third sentence.
I bought apple, mangoes, peaches, and grapes.
So in this third sentence, what do you observe about the sentence or on the sentence?
I bought. The sentence has no punctuation marks.
What specific punctuation mark?
Comma.
Yes, right. There is no punctuation. So when learning with prescriptive grammar, or in the sentence like I bought, excuse me, I bought apples, mangoes, peaches, and grapes. So when you are writing on a sentence with which includes lists like apples, mangoes, peaches, and grapes, you need to include a punctuation, which is a comma to make it to make to to make it valid as a prescriptive grammar. So, who among you here has been corrected by your teacher or by your sister or your mother on your wrong grammar or your when you are speaking wrong grammar? So read what is written in the board.
Prescriptive grammar.
All of you read.
Prescriptive grammar.
Yes, so our topic for today is all about prescriptive grammars. So when learning up with prescriptive grammar in a sentence like this, we need to bear in mind to always use prescriptive grammar. That is all for our topic for today, and great job, class. So once again, prescriptive grammar is all about following rules or the correct rules or the standard rules in learning grammar. So when you use prescriptive grammar, it can help you communicate better in any situations. So for your homework, I'd like you to write a short uh, short essay using the prescriptive grammar, and let's see how well you apply the topic that we have learned today. Thank you.
Ma'am, what are the topics?
Any topic. Basta you can do any topics as long as you use the prescriptive grammar that I have taught you. The
Okay, ma'am.
prescriptive grammar rules.
Ma'am.